Hello student. After a long time we are again starting with our lesson bones and brain. So before start the lesson, let me sum it up for you. We have studied about the as of now joints, types of skeleton, and the most important, it is the brain has classified into the three types: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. And in this session we are going to study about the most important, it is the spinal cord. Let's see the spinal cord. Spinal cord tells us spinal cord is a bundle of nerve fibers, is a bundle of nerve fibers and that are connected to the brain, spinal cord, it is the word spine means spines our backside parts. Spinal cord, it is the bundle of nerve fibers that are connected to the brain. Let's see the diagram. It is the spinal cord, this spinal cord is attached to the brain. This is the brain. And in the last video I had told you medulla oblongata, the base stem, it is called as the medulla oblongata, and this medulla oblongata is attached to the spinal cord. So this one part, it is called as the medulla oblongata. It is called as, another word, it is called as the brain stem. Okay, keep in mind the spinal cord, this is the spine, this is our spine. Spines are also vertebrae and invertebrates also, but this is not concerned our syllabus. So spinal cord, it is attached to the brain. It is the bundle of, this is the nerve, bundle. Spinal cord is the bundle of nerve fibers that are connected to the brain. So which part of the brain? It is the medulla oblongata, otherwise it is called as the brain stem. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड एक ऐसा एक पार्ट है जो किससे कनेक्ट रहता है? ब्रेन से कनेक्ट रहता है, और जो वो तीसरा पार्ट है उसे हम कहते हैं मेडुला ऑब्लांगेटा, और उस पर ऐसे मेनी हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं जिसे हम कहते हैं नर्व फाइबर्स. ओके, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दैट स्पाइनल कॉर्ड? Function of spinal cord transfers all information. Spinal cord transfers all information to the brain and vice versa. So what is the function of spinal cord? Spinal cord transfers all information to the brain and vice versa. Okay, so let's see. We can see through the diagram. This is the spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord transfer all information to the brain, and brain all to the rest of the body, our body. Means स्पाइनल कॉर्ड क्या करता है? पूरे जो अपने सेंसेस है, अपने जो कुछ फंक्शंस है, वो सारे प्रोवाइड किसे करेगा? ब्रेन को करेगा. और ब्रेन क्या करेगा? अपने रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी यानी जो अदर पार्ट्स है उसको वो कैरी ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन करेगा. यानी ये वाइस वर्सा होगा, यानी rest of the body parts provide the all information to the brain, and brain provide the all information to the rest of our body. Means this process will goes continuously on vice versa. ये जो प्रोसेस है वो वाइस वर्सा होंगी, यानी ब्रेन क्या करेगा, रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी क्या करेगी? ब्रेन को इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करेगी, और ब्रेन क्या करेगा? ऑल रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी पार्ट्स को इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करेगा. यही फंक्शन क्या है? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड का है. वी कैन राइट इन इंग्लिश, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड ट्रांसफर all information to the brain, and brain transfers the all information to the rest of body and vice versa. Okay, and spinal cord is protected by which organ? So it is called as the vertebral column. called as the vertebral column. Okay, all organs are protected to the another organs, but spinal cord is protected by vertebral column. Like this, our brain is protected by the cranium of the skull. The spinal cord is also protected by the vertebral column. Now, reflex action. So reflex action, it is the characteristic of living organism. So reflex action means what? What would be the answer of reflex action? For example, if someone pricking you as a needles, or for example, you kept on your hand on the hot things. So what will your reactions? What will your response on that? All that activities? Definitely, you immediately pull out your hand from that parts. That parts. This sudden movement you show, which is called as the reflex action. Means in another way we
Okay, you are touching the hot vessels, you will pull away your hand immediately. This is the
can
reflex
tell us
action.
reflex action means the sudden movement response to the stimuli is called as the reflex action. For example, what will your response when someone pricking you needles with the help of needles? Otherwise, you will put your hand on the hot things. Definitely, what will be your reaction that times? You will immediately pull out your hand from that parts. The sudden movement you show to the another ones, this is called as the reflex action. In a definition, we can tell the sudden movement response to the stimuli. Stimuli means we are human beings that are touching to other hearts, otherwise pricking the needles. This is called as the reflex action.